start off taking a sip of water here with lipstick. What is your guys' favorite way to drink with lipstick? I kind of just... Oh god, it just probably looks so bad. But you know what doesn't look bad? My lipstick. Okay, so we always start off with primer. NYX eyeshadow base. Go ahead and apply the primer to the lid. Oh my god. Make sure you get that all blended up into the brow bone, and then you want to take whatever you have left over and put it underneath your eyes. Don't set your primer. So this guy is the Maybelline Long Lasting Drama, and it's definitely one of my favorite eyeliners just in general. You want to go ahead and line the bottom, and you don't want to make it too crazy. Alright, you're gonna line the bottom there. And then grab your smudging brush. This guy is a Morphe R43. And you're just gonna basically use the brush to kind of blend it all the way around the bottom lash line. So not only did you want to fill your actual lash line with the pencil, like tightline it, but you also want to blend out the eyeliner that you have applied here. And then go ahead and take a black eyeshadow, a matte one, and set this the same way you would set your foundation with powder, but obviously this is eyeshadow. Now we want to go ahead and put on a liner. I have from this brand Kleancolor. I think I got this at Daiso. Load the product on to the brush. You want to basically smudge the eyeliner on the lash line. And you don't want to smudge it and blow it out. Remember that thing that we did where we set it? We're gonna do the same thing here. And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Right now I'm gonna be using a fluffy brush, but I'm gonna grab this really awesome gray color and I'm just gonna buff it into the crease here. And I'm not gonna blow it out. I'm just buffing it in the same spot with circular motions. Remember, it doesn't have to be super perfect. I also am gonna throw it underneath my eyes. What I didn't do is add more product. I am just using what I already have here on the brush. Keep that like circular motion as you are getting corners of the eye. You know, just blend it. We got a smoky eye going on, but I feel like we need more black. So on the other side of this Luxie brush, we've got a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna take a little bit, just a little bit, of this black shade from the outer corner inwards to the lid, but don't actually completely cover it. Just keep on blending. Same on the other side. And then what I like to do is still don't add any more product to the fluffy brush and just blend it all together. You can spend however long on this as you'd like. Just keep in mind, the more you blend up and out, the more blown out the look is gonna be. Okay, look at that smoky eye. It's really basic, but it at least gets your eyes a little dressed up. So I'm gonna go back to the eyeliners that I used on the bottom, and I'm just going to tight line. You could just stop here and call it a day and get out the door, but I'm extra. Throw some glitter on, take my finger, and just kind of tap it on the lid. Give it like a nice little glittery effect. You can use any shimmery eyeshadow that's dark. This is the Manga Rock by L'Oreal. The wand is thick, but it has these little stubby, you know, these little stubby things on it to separate the lashes. And we're just gonna use this guy. Oh my god! Alright, so in one of my previous videos I did this and My trick to like cleaning up mascara mistakes is actually just let it dry. You're gonna go ahead and grab a Q-tip. You might have to replace the eyeshadow, but that's okay because at least now you don't have freaking mascara up on you. Alright, and then you could finish off your look with a lip color. I feel like with a smoky eye, like this simple, you can get away with any color. It's a smoky eye, honey. Smoky eye. Alright guys, go smoke your eyes. Slay. What?